Hi, welcome. As you see behind us, we are doing our team version of the Math-a-Lon test at this point. Students currently have 20 minutes to answer 10 highly challenging state-level test questions in teams of 3 or 4 students. As you see behind me, they are competing against schools across the state, and they are getting a chance to see where they stack up and how well they are prepared at the middle school level for mathematics at the high school level questions.
My name is Dr. Stuart Sapphire. I am here just really to observe and to see how things are going, out of curiosity more than anything else. Prior to this year, I was the coordinator for this event, for the Math-a-Lon, for 21 years. I handed it off to Ash, and I'm just curious how things were going.
Our daughter, Braylon McMahon, attends Tunbridge Public Charter School, and she heard about this opportunity. She was pretty excited about it. She was a little nervous because her first practice, the math was really difficult, but she was excited. Some of her friends joined, and she liked the practice with Mr. Arbuckle and Miss G, and so she decided to give it a shot.
So we are from Tunbridge Public Charter School in Baltimore City. We're a pre-K to 8 school.
The challenge today was both 3 parts. There was an individual test the students took. Then we moved on to the inventions round, where they used their math skills to do various engineering challenges and apply those math skills in groups of 4 that were from different schools, so they didn't know their team members. And then obviously our last component, the team test. So why is Maryland Math-a-Lon such an important deal? Because what other day do you get to wake up on a Saturday and have fun doing math problems in such a challenging way? That's why we do what we do.
We're out here representing Chesapeake Science Point Public Charter School. Math-a-Lon has been a really great experience. We got to expand and show what we knew, what we learned from math practice. We got to collaborate with people from other schools. Overall, it opened up a lot of possibilities for us, and I think it was a really great experience.
Team Infinity!
We've never had a math club, or even we don't have a focus on STEM, but we have kids that are super excited and curious about math. And we threw this out there. Does anybody think they might want to do something like this? And we had a lot of interest. So this is the first time we've ever done it. It has been a wonderful experience because we've only had about 5 practices, and it has just been amazing to watch these kids come together and be so passionate about math. And I think it's been a wonderful experience. And they have just in awe of the experience here. And I know that we're going to be back. And this was such a wonderful experience that we actually are starting a math club. Mr. Arbuckle's going to run it next quarter.
Hi, my name is Melissa Thomas. I'm a teacher at Chesapeake Science Point Elementary School, and this is some of our amazing staff that are here working today at the Math-a-Thon. It is amazing. We're so glad to see all of these students working hard. They've got to compete in a variety of activities. We've had airplanes, roller coasters, earthquakes, and the kids have just thoroughly enjoyed it, and I can't wait till we have our next event at the school.
At this point, we hope that next year we should be able to grow. Currently, we have 26 teams from 11 different schools. We hope that number both doubles in both sides, both number of teams and the number of schools represented and counties that are represented, because currently we only have 3 counties, Howard, Anne Arundel, and PG.